This is a Flow IFB integrated bridge, dynamic head, 6x12 water jet. You have PC-based control here, Flow Cut 6 software. That's your X-axis. Just gotta pardon us, they're working on our roof. Loud. That's your Y, in and out. I have the boot removed from the bottom of the head currently. It's just being cleaned. Just soak it in some water, just to soften it up a little bit, make it a little easier for diagnosis. Adjust your Z-axis up and down. Again, you have the dynamic head, which allows fourth and fifth axis movement. H A, kind of hard to see, but it is moving. That's your A and your B. We'll home them. That way you can at least see that they are moving. You can see everything goes to home. That basically does it. Thanks.